fucking break your face.
What? What happened? What happened?
In this lane.
What? You cut him off? Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Laz, aka MotoBroo. Today we're on the pedal bike, headed to New York City, about to take the subway. It's gonna be crazy. As you can see, I was in a car just then, but I'm saying it's gonna be crazy. Stay tuned. Let's head to the subway. Yo gang, so we just made it with some pedal bike riders, about to explore the city a little bit, vibe out, and see what's popping. Okay, let's go. This traffic out here crazy. It's a different type of riding. For real.
We're gonna make this right.
Let's go. What's your guys' names?
Sleazy. Well, my name is Rough. Everybody call me Sleazy.
Sleazy and Aiden? Cool.
Fucking break your face.
What? What happened? What happened?
In this lane.
What? You cut him off?
Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Come on, in the wrong lane. In the wrong lane.
32 years now.
I'm not young enough to smack you. No, that's New York City right there. Yeah, for real.
Traffic work.
Vibing. Yeah. What a vibe, bro. Damn, we're already at Times Square, bro. Yo, Gromsky. Pull it up, yeah, for a thumbnail.
Never listen, it's my life, so I'ma risk it if I wanna hit the
get with
streets.
him.
That's my own damn decision, man. This is a venom. I can't remember. Catch a flight is random. I might pull up with the
Stay like that, stay like that.
My life was so crazy. Came out, I'm amazing. Smoking gas has made me lazy. They be hating me.
Let's go. Now I gotta pull it up. Where'd he go? This way? Oh my god, Batman! Homie vibing over here. Yeah. Where'd he go? Oh, he's back there.
This is what most of people be playing. They're not here.
Shit. Bro, look at that. Yeah. Smooth and control, baby. We're gonna keep going, keep going. Let's go. Damn, bus cut me off, bro. What is that?
It's crazy over here. They got the taxis and the buses. Both
No respect. No respect.
Combined.
Yeah.
It's like straight.
I hope he's hitching a ride, bro.
They're just like hit the brake or try to speed up to get you off.
Ah. I was asking about how the taxis and everything, how the drivers are about hitching a little ride. I guess it just depends on the situation. Also, my YouTube guys, MotoBroo, if you want to check it out. Ooh!
Wait, that's you? I don't remember. Wait, you ride dirt bikes?
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I've been watching this video for so long. That's who you are.
Yes, sir.
Before I even had an SD bike.
Let's go.
Like,
Hey. Little kid was enjoying the wheel skis, bro. We're just getting started. A little warm up out here. No clue where the hell I'm going. It's a little windy, but we gonna shred. Well, you ain't gonna pull that wheel up? I ain't even about this pedal bike life, you know, and I'm out here. Let's go. So what's good?
That was dope.
You watch YouTube?
Yeah.
MotoBroo, it's my channel. Yeah,
Are you on
MotoBroo.
Instagram?
I got Instagram too.
Can I tag you?
Yeah, MotoBroo with 3 O's. But I brought the DRZ 400 out here.
I had an R6 crash.
Okay. Yeah. I feel that, bro.
Oh, let's go.
I lost my spleen.
Oh, shit. Damn.
Yo, that got sketchy right there, bro. I like swerved at like NYC, and on the way back, it like launched me back into it. Woo. It's just sketchy being out here, to be honest, bro. Cars going past you every second. Bro, you gotta love it. The musicians back out. Yo, let me tag on. Let me tag on the back real quick. Let me tag on the back. Little. You hold on. I just.
No, that thing is broken.
Ah.
This thing is heavy,
Yeah.
so I tied it up with some.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, you too.
Me
right?
too.
No problem.
Yeah, we out here, boy. Hey, it's the bike lane. The bike lane. Bro, I'm turning into a real New Yorker out here, just being fucking. It's the biker lane, man. Yo, gang, we're on the ferry right now. I literally rushed on here, and the homie's like, "Bro, you got a ticket?" I'm like, "A ticket? I didn't even know you needed a ticket." But I'm glad we made it, because the train or the subway that goes from New York City back to New Jersey, it closes at 7 for some reason. I don't know why, but we got beautiful views. Where you want me to pay it?
it's coming right now. You gotta go.
We got homie over here. Talking my camera. Hey. Show me where to pay, because you know your boy's a newbie out here.
He got you right there.
You don't gotta do it, bro. He's lying to you. All right, well, my bike's all the wheel keeps moving to one side because my spacers are SE spacers suck. I can open. So yeah, I guess we're just gonna call it a day for now, unless I add some more footy in, because I'm gonna fix my bike. I'm gonna go out tomorrow. Yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay motivated. We got merch in the description down below. We got the skyline. We lit out here. Love you, gang. Peace.